How to remove YouTube channel from account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually remove your YouTube channel from your account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically remove your YouTube channel from your account, all you have to do is just open up YouTube, which is your browser, and then sign into YouTube Studio. Now when I go to YouTube Studio, this is my main Google account, right? So this is not just a channel, but this is my main Google account itself, and under this Google account I have access to multiple channels, right? So if I just click the profile icon from the top right, I go to switch account, and under this main Google account you can see I have got up to 6 different channels over here. Now let's say I want to remove a specific channel from my account. I don't want all these channels to be there, and I want to remove it, and I want to remove the access for these channels. What I need to do in that case is just go to any of these channels here. Once I go to either of those channels, I just need to click on the left hand side, and then here you'll find settings. Just go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you can go to permissions, and then here you can see my role is actually an editor. If I want to remove myself from it, I'll just click on it, and then I'll just select remove access here. Once I select remove access, I'll just click on save. Once I click on save, my access from this channel will be successfully removed, and the channel is going to be removed from my Google account as well. This is simply how you can go ahead and remove your channel from your Google account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.